Stop scrolling for 1 second, because I'm about to show you the easiest way to make money with AI videos in 2026. Imagine earning $50, $100, even $300 a day, all without showing your face, recording your voice, or needing any advanced editing skills. This isn't a distant dream. It's a proven method people are using right now to generate significant daily income. With the right AI tools, you can tap into this opportunity and start generating income today. Let me break down exactly how this revolutionary approach works, step by step. You're watching The Bright Mind Show, where I teach beginners how to use AI to work smarter, not harder. Let's jump into step 1. Pick a simple faceless video niche. You don't need a fancy studio or expensive gear to get started. Just choose a simple niche that works great with AI, such as motivational videos or luxury lifestyle facts. Other effective niches include money tips, tech and AI facts, or celebrity quotes. Relaxing background scenes and short educational videos are also excellent choices. These niches work because they're story-based, text-based, and easy to automate with AI. Now for step 2, use AI to generate your script. This is where ChatGPT becomes your best friend for content creation. Just give it a niche and ask for a 60 to 90 second script, or even a 3 to 5 minute script. You can also request a list of facts, a compelling story, or a motivational speech. AI writes the entire script for you automatically. Your job? Just copy and paste. Next, step 3, create the video using AI. Now for the fun part. Use tools like HeyGen, which turns your script into a talking narrator. HeyGen offers lifelike AI avatars, including Avatar 4, Video Avatar, Photo Avatar, and over 1,000 stock avatars, customizable with expressions and gestures. Another powerful tool is Pictory, which creates faceless B-roll videos from text, URLs, images, or PowerPoint presentations. Pictory features an AI voice generator, text-to-video generator, and AI subtitles, automating scene creation and visual matching. CapCut AI is an all-in-one video editor that automates editing processes, from building videos from scratch to animating photos. CapCut also provides AI caption generation with over 100 templates, text-to-speech, and tools for enhancing audio and video quality. Finally, OpusClip turns long videos into viral-ready shorts. These tools handle visuals, voice, timing, editing, effects, and transitions. You don't need editing skills. The AI does everything for you. Let's move to step 4. Create viral shorts for quick growth. Shorts are the fastest way to blow up a new channel and gain visibility. Utilize CapCut templates, OpusClip auto clips, and Pika Labs AI animations to create engaging short-form content. These short videos can get millions of impressions, even if your channel is brand new. Consistent posting can help you grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just a few weeks. Finally, step 5, how you make money. There are 4 primary ways to monetize your AI video content. First, YouTube monetization. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 hours of watch time or 10 million shorts views, you can earn directly from your videos. Second, affiliate links. Recommend products, software, or tools you use and earn a commission. Third, selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or checklists, which AI can help you create. Fourth, sponsorships. Companies will pay you to promote their products once your channel gains significant viewership. This method turns into real passive income once your videos start ranking and attracting a consistent audience. And that's how you make money with AI videos in 2026, with no face, no voice, and no editing skills. AI handles everything. You just upload your content. If you found this helpful, make sure you like this video, comment what you want next, and subscribe for more simple AI earning guides. Your support helps me keep creating beginner-friendly AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.